If your iPhone is draining battery too fast after updating to iOS 26, then this video will help you to fix it. This usually happens because of background processes, new features like adaptive power, or missing system optimizations right after the update. So let's walk through the best proven solutions to make your battery last longer. Fix 1. Turn on adaptive power saving. Open settings, scroll down and tap battery. Now scroll down once again and tap on power mode. Here, toggle on adaptive power. This actually balances your performance, background activity, and helps reduce any battery drain. Fix 2. Disable background app refresh. Go to settings, find and tap general, select background app refresh. Now you can tap background app refresh again. To turn it off completely, just choose off for all apps or limited to only essential ones. This prevents apps like social media from constantly refreshing in the background and draining battery. Fix 3. Turn off location services for unnecessary apps. Open settings, scroll down and find privacy and security. Then from here, select location services. Scroll and set up like Facebook, Instagram or games too while using the app or never. This ensures only essential apps use GPS, saving battery life. If possible, disable location services completely for the time being to check if that helps or not. Fix 4. Reset all settings. Go to settings, find and tap general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap reset, select reset all settings. If you are prompted to enter your passcode, then simply enter it. Now confirm your choice. This won't delete your data, but you will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and system settings, often fixing battery issues. After trying these fixes, your iPhone battery life should stabilize within a few days as iOS 26 finishes re-indexing files in the background. If this video helped fix your battery drain after iOS 26, hit like, subscribe, and share which solution worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching.